Welcome back to a new video, guys. Today we're going to be learning English using comprehensible input. Today we're going to be exploring the Thong Lor neighborhood in Bangkok, Thailand. Trendy. I do need a unique thing of massager stop, but another browsing stop for lunch. Everything is more pizza so far from bad. It's not really high-rise buildings. Across the metabolism closed today. Start the word count and let's go. Okay, guys, we're now heading to Thong Lor, which is like a really popular, like kind of more...
Well, the area is called Sukhumvit.
The area is Sukhumvit, but the stop in the neighborhood is called Thong Lor, and that's kind of like the Seongsu of Korea. It's just popular, trendy. Everyone wants to be there. Everyone wants to live there. So it is like an expensive place in terms of accommodation, but we're gonna go there, explore it, and also learn English with comprehensible input. So make sure you guys watch the whole video. Okay, so we just got off the BTS station and we're at the stop right before Thong Lor, but we're gonna go to a thrift store here. Ropron is the stop, but there is a thrift shop here that we're gonna go to because I do need to buy some t-shirts because I kind of packed not really that well. I packed a lot of long sleeve t-shirts, but not really any short sleeves. This is like the one short sleeve t-shirt I have that isn't really long. All my other ones are super long. So we're gonna go to the 2nd Street thrift store, see if they have some t-shirts, and then we'll go eat pad thai. So let's go.
If you know 2nd Street, it's a huge chain, but it's from Japan, yeah.
I might have been to it then.
Yeah, it's Japanese, but it's like a chain thrift store. So
you can bring your stuff there too, can't you?
Yeah, the unique thing about it is you can literally sell your clothes to them and then buy it. So
that's cool. Yeah, I do have some stuff I want to, well, I'll give away or sell. I don't really care. I just don't want to carry it because it weighs so much. It's like my big winter jacket that I had, my long jacket.
Yeah, but I don't know if you noticed, but it's so busy. Like the train was crazy busy.
It's always packed.
Head massage. I thought we were in Thailand.
Dude, I could do a head massage maybe at the end of the day because I don't really want my head to be oily. I don't want it to be oiled up. So.
Oh, there it is. You can see it from here. But honestly, you can walk in any of these streets and find something to eat. Like there's so many options.
Honestly, if I see like a good pad thai here, I'll just stop. But I just saw this place on TikTok. Someone local recommended, saying most underrated pad thai place that they've eaten at. But I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what they say. I don't really want Western food like bagels. I mean, it's not that expensive actually, 70 baht. But I want Thai food in Thailand, and pad thai is definitely one of my favorites.
What kind of Thai food have you tried already?
I don't know the names.
What was the pork thing yesterday?
I don't know, but it was like that basil, like spicy sauce. I don't know.
This one's not that big. It looks like there's one inside another mall that's huge, and there's
this one is pretty big. It looks like multiple floors.
Oh, maybe it's multiple floors.
Looks like it. Oh, and they got their stuff set up with mannequins.
Yo, that's the fit you need right there.
For real, that's the Christmas fit. That's the elf fit. Okay, no photos and videos, so we'll just put it down and go in and check it out. I'll take a picture, though. Let's go. So we're inside here. This is kind of like what it looks like. We didn't end up buying anything anyways. Like there is just so many options and there was nothing I really liked, but now we're gonna go eat pad thai and that is something I do like.
Yeah, let's get that.
We were just browsing through the t-shirts, mainly the t-shirts and some button-up shirts. If you wanna get my 3,000 most common English words PDF to help you understand up to 95% of spoken English with real, clear definitions and examples, organized by Sefer level and topic, then check out the link in my description to get it. Is this like a Japanese area or what?
Dude, Thai people love Japanese stuff. You see like with the restaurants and stuff?
Yeah, there is like a huge amount of Japanese restaurants. I haven't seen like a country with that many Japanese restaurants, and it's not like in a Japanese area. They're just everywhere. But I love Japanese food. Like Japanese curry is one of my favorite dishes. Like top 5 probably, honestly.
What about Coco Ichiban?
Coco curry from Japan, dude. Oh my gosh. That is one of my favorites. I love that. The first time I ever tried that, I was with my mom in Japan and we were in Kyoto looking for somewhere to eat and we saw that, so we went in. So we had that for dinner that night too and for the next couple days. Anyways, we're gonna go eat now, so let's go. This area, Prompong, is like really popular with expats, obviously, but specifically with Japanese people. That's why there are a lot of Japanese restaurants, Japanese stores, Japanese like everything. And there's also Don Quijote, which is like really popular in Japan. Don Quijote. Don Quijote. So we're gonna go to that too today. We're gonna visit Don Quijote, probably buy some stuff. Definitely buy some Japanese snacks. I don't know, I'm not really a Japanese snack expert, but this area is popular with specifically Japanese people, whether they're like traveling as tourists or living here as expats. Okay, so this is where we're gonna stop for lunch. It was recommended on TikTok by someone, and it actually has a user's choice by lineman and a grab thumbs up. Oh, it's closed? Just coffee.
I think I saw this. What does this sign out here say?
Oh, Yeah, we apologize. Okay. It's a pad thai place and a coffee shop, so that's why they're closed. So, unfortunately, that pad thai restaurant was closed, but at least we were able to cut our key. And now we're just walking beside this busy road down towards Thong Lor. And this area is a lot quieter than I thought it would be. So the stop back there, Phnom Penh or whatever, that place was busy. But in between these two stops, it's not that busy. And everything is closed. Like, look at all these stores.
Yeah, well, what day is it today?
Today is January 2nd, so everyone's probably on break for taking a holiday.
It's holiday until the 4th, so.
Okay, holiday till the 4th, so all these stores and stuff are closed. Pretty much like malls and like maybe big chains are open. There's this cafe I want to go to called Come Coffee. So hopefully that's open because at least we could go get a coffee there. We walked like 20 minutes. Couldn't really find a restaurant. It was mostly just Japanese food, and obviously I want to eat Thai food, so we're in 7-Eleven now. Let me get the Hawaiian pizza. I love Hawaiian pizza. Let me get this one. This and a water. This is gonna be our lunch for today. I never had this toasty flavor before. You can let me know if you guys had it, but it's like, oh, you can see a pineapple right there. It's Hawaiian flavor. Ooh, it's hot. It actually just tastes like Hawaiian pizza. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I guess it literally is the same. I guess it literally is the same thing.
Pizza sauce?
It could do with more pizza sauce, but just dough, ham, cheese, and pizza sauce. But overall, it's pretty good. Maybe I would get it again. That's what it looks like. I do think the original one, or not the original one, but the triple cheese one, that one's fire. So I'd probably just stick with that one.
Honestly, I like the original, like just without the triple cheese, the best. Because that one gets the crispiest on the outside.
I like the triple cheese. Overall, I wouldn't say this is busting. I would say it's fire. It's fire. I would have it again. 3 young guys pointed at the sign and started laughing, and then I read it. But yeah, that's
Say
it.
that word.
Let's go.
What's that restaurant called?
Okay, so we're at Come Specialty Coffee.
If it's all dudes working there, I'm going to be a little suspicious.
Hopefully they didn't put anything too special inside my coffee. Dude, these are some nice vehicles here.
Wow.
I guess everyone that comes here is just bawling.
For real, where is it?
Bawling like that. I think this whole thing is the coffee. I got their signature coffee. You guys will see it, and Leon just got a regular latte. But I would like to sit inside, but we can't film in there, so we have to sit outside. Oh. Now it's ringing, so I'm gonna go grab it. I'll be back. Okay, so we got the coffees here. This one is like the biscuit coffee. This is a
Biscoff.
Biscoff, yeah. Well, they call it the biscuit coffee, but it's Biscoff. But these actually look good, and this is the name, Come. And these are just some paper coasters because you don't want to like stain the wood. I think this is whipped cream on mine. Honestly, I thought it was ice cream. I just realized I don't even like coffee.
That's not going to taste like coffee, I'll tell you that right now. It's going to be sweet.
I have a straw here. Let me open it. Yeah, honestly, I think I would just prefer a Thai milk tea, but I don't think they had that on the menu. But this is like a co-working area. I assume the Wi-Fi is probably pretty good here. I'm going to actually do a Wi-Fi test. But this is a nice area, but it's kind of like far from where I am. But let's try this now. Okay, that is very sweet. I'm not the biggest fan of coffee, but it's good. This is a really like popular area.
I think you come here more for the vibes than the coffee.
Oh, the vibes are good. Like, this is a nice area. But yeah, we're going to finish these coffees and then go to Don Quijote, which is literally like the next building over. So it's right beside us. And if you're Japanese, you know what it is. And if you're not Japanese, watch the video and you'll find out what it is. Don Quijote. And I'm sure you guys know their song. Don Quijote. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really have a good beat, but anyways, let's go in here. They actually have indoor sports as well. They have like this drum thing, soccer, rock climbing, baseball, pool, and basketball. Let's go in. Dude, this looks good.
That does look good.
It looks like Rice Krispies, but this flavor.
Yeah, like a chocolate
It looks like it's held together by like that marshmallow though, the melted marshmallow. Ooh, I like these. I like these. How much are these?
Not that much.
Okay, I'm gonna get, it's like $1.50. I'm gonna get some of these. Oh, you have the Korean pepero, #1 in Korea. Or you think I'm gonna buy a lot of candy?
Yeah.
Yeah, if I buy, I might buy like 1 or 2 things, but I'm not trying to get fat. I'm actually trying to lose weight.
I got some bad news for you.
This is some of my favorite stuff. There are a lot of snacks here and a lot of candy. I think most people come for the candy and stuff. This is huge. There are multiple floors in this building.
But there's a lot of like Japanese products too, like skincare stuff and...
Yeah, most likely. I think the bottom part is mostly like...
Yeah, it says that they're cosmetics, home goods, pet goods.
Oh yeah, here's more flavors of the same brand.
Get this Coca-Cola one.
Nah, I like grape. Genuinely, I'm not really sure what's like popular to get, but I do think people spend a lot.
Oh, don't you love matcha?
I don't. I do not like matcha. Do I need anything?
Maybe
I don't think so.
Maybe some figurine.
I'm not really a good consumer unless it's Apple products. Okay, so we got these gummies. I've had these before in Korea, but I didn't really see anything else I wanted in there. We just walked around Don Quijote. I'm sure if you like shopping, that store is really good, but I'm not really a huge shopper, but this is what they look like. They kind of do actually look like grapes. And you could like peel the skin back. Oh wow. Very soft. They are like similar to grape, and they are very, very sweet. Ooh. Overall pretty good though. There are like a lot of flavors though, but I always just get the grape one. That right there, or those buildings right there, those are all high-rise buildings. And I believe they are connected, but those are high-rise apartments. Okay, so right now we're walking on the sidewalk beside the road. There is a mall just across the road, as you can see. There's a mall across the road. And question guys, what do you do when you want to go from this side to that side? Cross the road, go across the road, or go through the road? You could go across the road or you cross the road. Either one, you do not go through the road. Through is like passing through something. I cannot go through the street. Now we're walking to Ekamai station. It's about like from back there, 20-minute walk. We've walked about halfway, so another 10 minutes I would say. But it is kind of a really nice day. Like you can see I'm wearing long pants and a black t-shirt, but I'm not too hot. And you can see Leon. You see Leon has all black on.
I actually feel good.
He has a backpack on, turn around, do a spin. He has a backpack on, long pants on, black pants, and a t-shirt.
But if you feel my lower back, it's not sweaty or anything.
And he has sunglasses on and a hat.
And what's this called?
That's, I don't know, to keep your glasses from falling off your face.
Is that
yeah,
risk?
so this kid tripping, for real. I'm not sweating, but I am warm. I am warm, but I'm not sweating. I don't really tend to sweat. Usually people that sweat have a fast metabolism. So they tend to sweat a lot more because they use a lot of energy, I guess. I'm not really sure about the science behind that, but my metabolism is about normal, so I don't really sweat that much. But I have friends that in my shoes right now, they would be just drenched in sweat. They would be drenched, like just sweat dripping down their face, their whole shirt completely wet, but I'm dry. I'm completely dry. I ordered a Thai basil rice from that lady, and I just got a water and a banana smoothie. Both of these cost me 50 baht. That's about $2 Canadian. Not a bad price for a water and a large banana smoothie. And it's nice because this building is nice and cool, and so is this, but it's done. Let me go get it. This is the meal. I'm not sure the actual name. I think it's called like Thai, but in English, like Thai basil rice or something. But we mixed this all together, right? This is the same thing that Mark Wiens. I think.
Yeah, that's what
he has Wagyu beef with his.
Well, he has a bunch of different options.
Is it his favorite dish?
I think so.
Mark Wiens is like this super famous food YouTuber that tries food mostly in Asia, but also all over the world. And he has a restaurant that's actually just across the street, but it is closed today.
Unfortunately.
This is the same thing he sells. So I've never had this before, so I'm gonna try it now. And then when we go to eat at his restaurant one day when they're open, I can compare them. Let's try it. It's not dry, it's really moist.
Yeah, it looks good.
But, ooh.
Spicy?
Ooh, yeah. It is spicy. Good thing I have this drink.
Oh, thanks.
Oh, wow. It is pretty good, but it is also very spicy. Wow. Overall, pretty good. I'm excited to try the one he has at his restaurant.
Yeah, it's a little different. He uses duck eggs, and he fries the egg white before the egg yolk.
No, but this is actually quite good. I'm not the biggest fan of like super spicy food, but I would still eat it. But apparently Thai food is some of the spiciest in the world. And it is spicy, but Korean food is also very spicy. But we're gonna finish this and then head out. If you're serious about becoming fluent in English, I've built a full speaking, shadowing, and pronunciation course you can follow step by step. You get instant access to over 60 video lessons right away, and I add 3 to 5 brand new lessons every week to keep the content fresh. And you're not just getting videos. You also get an exclusive ChatGPT prompt to help you master the pronunciation of any word, plus a step-by-step structure to follow so you know exactly how to practice and get the most out of every lesson. Inside, we train pronunciation, accent, rhythm, and natural speaking, so you stop hesitating and start speaking with real confidence. Now here's a sneak peek at what you get the moment you join. So I wouldn't take legal action down to he already so cranky. The jeans and one hoodie, which I click the link in my description to join. It's popular, trendy, everyone wants to be there because I do need to buy some t-shirts because
Yeah, the unique thing about it is you can literally sell.
Dude, I could do a head massage maybe at the end of the Good Pet Thai here. I'll just stop, but I just saw this place.
Inside another mall that's huge, and there's
This one is, we were just browsing through the t-shirts. Popular with expats, obviously, but this is where we're gonna stop for lunch. It was recommended, and everything is closed. Like, look at all these stores. I could do with more pizza sauce, but just dough, ham. Everyone that comes here is just bawling.
For real, where is it?
Bawling, like, but it's kind of like far from where I am. So let's try this now. I'm not trying to get fat. I'm actually trying to lose weight.
I got you.
Genuinely, I'm not really sure what's like popular. Those are all high-rise buildings, and I believe they are connected. You could go across the road or you cross the road for a fast metabolism. So, but it is closed today.
Unfortunately.
We're gonna finish this and then head out. And if you want to get these t-shirts, check out volkaenglish.com. And remember, guys, you will become fluent in English.